Hello guys and welcome to this very special episode to VR technology. Today we want to see how you actually change the lenses or how you clean the HMD of your VR headset. I am using the HTC Vive Pro with wireless adapter, and what you need for this is an air duster spray. This is my air duster spray. You can take any air duster spray from any company. I am not sponsored by any company, so I bought this by myself. And then you need a screwdriver. A flat screwdriver would be good. A small, flat screwdriver. Not too big. And that's it. That's everything you need. And then you're good to go. So first things first, you need to take off the facial foam. Very easy. Just take it off. I also bought this by myself. Just mentioning. Now what you want to do is you take your screwdriver and then you stick it at the edge of the lens. Please do it carefully so that you don't scratch the lens, and don't use any force at all, because if you use too much force you can damage the HMD underneath. So take a flat and small screwdriver, stick it in at the edge, and then just lift it up. And it comes out very, very easily. See? No problem. These are the lenses of the lens mod, the Gear VR lenses. And they're inside the 3D printed lens mod adapter. And then you see the HMD underneath. Take your air duster spray, then just spray it out carefully. Just spray in short bursts. Don't press on the spray button too long. And then you should be good. What I do is I also clean the HMD with a special cleaning towel. And then I just spray again to make sure that there is not any dust left. Also spray the lenses and clean the lenses first. And then just spray them, because there could also be dust right on the lens. Everything is nice and clear. That's also what you should do if you do this mod for the first time. I spray it once again, just because if there is any dust left, then this is really annoying. Don't freak out if there comes some fluid gas out. Just clean it, spray it, and that's it. But as I said, please pay attention, because fluid gas can damage the HMD. Just mentioning. But in this case, nothing happened. You will see it. And don't be afraid like a little girl. Do it like a real man. You know, just solve the problem. Then just put it back on with some firm pressure. There is actually a black gluing ring at the edge where you press it on. Please don't remove this sticky glue ring. HTC put this glue ring on in the company, in the fabric. You should not remove this little small glue ring, because this actually holds the lens, and if you remove it, there is nothing that holds the lens. Okay. Put the facial foam back on, and there you go. You just have cleaned your HMD from dust, or you just have done the lens mode. Very, very easy. Don't be afraid to do it. So you will ask, why should you do the lens mod? I will show you. We are taking the HTC Vive Pro with a wireless adapter and the lens mod. And we will have a look through the lenses. The image is very clear. You have actually a wider field of view. And it's absolutely not blurry. It's very, very clear. And you can also read the text very, very good. And by the way, this is wireless PC VR. With this quality. This is amazing. So this is the reason why I recommend doing the HTC Vive Pro lens mod. That you change the lenses. But please remember that you will lose the warranty for your headset. So if you do the lens mod, you do it at your own risk. This is something you should know. You will lose the warranty. Please look at this. This is Project Cars 2, filmed through the lens. I was not able to catch the cockpit view because I filmed this all by myself, all alone. I had to hold the glasses to the camera, and it was not that easy. But this is how it looks like. Right lens. The camera was zooming, so that's the reason why it was a little blurry. It is not blurry at all in the headset, as you can see. You have a very, very clear image. I'm not saying that this is VR 2.0, but it's 100 times better than the original. One really, really important notice at the end of this video. Important notice. Remember, if you do the lens mode on your HTC headset, you will lose the warranty, and you do it at your own responsibility. Still, this is really very easy to do, and it's a huge improvement. Absolutely. Some users actually complained about headaches because they noticed a fishbowl effect or something fancy stuff like this, but I never experienced anything like it, and I'm highly satisfied. Alright guys, and that was it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you want to support me, you can do so by dropping a donation in my PayPal account, paypal.me/PartnerSamurai. Also, please subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell on the subscribe button so that you get informed when the Samurai drops a new video. Like this video, like. Tell everyone about this video, write a nice comment, always appreciate it. Have fun, and as always guys, see you soon. Till the next video. Bye.